Hello students, welcome back to our channel Eklavya Education Point, and in this video we are going to discuss some important questions of class 10th CBSE based social science. Now before moving on to today's video, if you are new here, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get real-time updates about our upcoming project. So now that you're a subscriber, let's get started. The first question we are going to deal with is: political leaders and social reformers advocated and worked to establish a society in which caste inequalities are absent. Partly due to their efforts and partly due to other changes, caste and caste system in modern India have undergone great changes. Caste system in modern India has undergone with which great changes? Due to socio-economic changes, the caste system also faced revolution. With increasing urbanization and great increase in education, the caste system is changing tremendously. People starting to know that the caste is just creating discrimination and not creating a healthy environment in the society. Even the Constitution of India also prevented from any discrimination against and injustice due to caste system. With increasing knowledge, things are really going good. These are the reasons and changes that caste system in modern India has undergone with. Now moving on to the second question we have is: the caste hierarchy as it traditionally existed is breaking down in urban India. What is leading to the breakdown of caste hierarchy? The three factors responsible for breaking down of the old notion of caste hierarchy are: modernization and education has reduced the emphasis on caste. The educated people regard caste as unethical and ignorance. The prohibition of caste-based discrimination and the strict laws against it also responsible for breaking down of old notions of caste hierarchy. Occupational mobility lead to social mobility, which also broke down old notions of caste hierarchy. These are the reasons leading to the breakdown of caste hierarchy in India. Now the third question we are going to deal with is: which group includes those that were previously regarded as outcasts in the Hindu social order and were subjected to exclusion and untouchability? Untouchables, also called Dalit, officially scheduled caste, formerly Harijan in Indian traditional Indian society, the former name for any member of a wide range of low caste Hindu groups or any outside the caste system. Dalit is a term mostly used for lower caste members in India. The term is used for those who have subjected to untouchability. Dalits were excluded from the fourfold Varna system of Hinduism and were seen as the fifth, forming a fifth Varna, also known as by the name of Pancham. Dalits now profess various religion beliefs including Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Christianity, Islam and various other religions. Now the fourth question we are going to deal with is: match the names in list 1 with possible definitions in list 2. In this question, students, let us directly move towards our answer for better understanding. A person who believes in equal rights and opportunities for women and men is known as a feminist. Hence option A matches to option 2. Communalist is a person who says that religion is the principal basis of community, hence option B matches to option 1. A person who thinks that caste is the principal basis of community is known as a casteist, hence option C matches to option 4. And finally, a person who does not discriminate against others on the basis of religious beliefs is known as a secularist, hence option D matches to option 3. This will be the correct combination for the match the following question we have. Now moving on to our fifth and the final question is: who was the social reformer fought against caste inequalities? Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar, who is popularly called Rosu of India and Socrates of Southeast Asia due to social reforms. He conducted the self-respect movement of 1925 for upliftment of the downtrodden community and abolition of caste system. He advocated for the abolition of untouchability. He was the person known as a social reformer. Now on this note, I would like to conclude this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I will be back tomorrow with a new video. Till then, thank you.